We realize that the home you've lived in and brought up your family in is very, very personal to you. But when should you consider downsizing your home for retirement? Let's ask a financial advisor. I'm here with 𝗺𝗃𝗀𝗃. He's the founder of Asset Preservation Capital. Carl, as I just said, this is a very personal kind of question to answer for somebody, but do you have the conversation about downsizing with folks?
Just had one last week. And she lost her husband about 2 years ago. And I have many of my clients who have gone ahead, sold a house, simplified their life, got away from all of that yard maintenance, fixing and repairing gutters, painting, siding, blah, blah, blah. And as you know, there's a lot of mortgage costs, tax costs, home repair costs, and a little percentage. Whatever real estate you own, you're going to spend about 8% per year maintaining that real estate when you add up all those other extra costs together. I
think a lot of folks think, oh, I'm so close to paying off the mortgage and my home costs are going to go down. But like you just said, home insurance, we're seeing it go up across the nation. Your insurance costs might go up. You'll have your maintenance costs, everything from roofs to pipes to even the furniture and things that you want to upkeep. But again, it's very personal. We have so many memories there. But it's also an asset. And they have grown greatly in value over the last 30 or 40 years. Can you help somebody figure out, I guess, cash flow analysis of what it would look like? Here, if we sell the home, this is what we can make life look like income-wise.
Yes, definitely. And that's what we do. We take the value of your home that you would get out of it if you went to sell it. And if we put that money to work in some good, safe income investments, how much would you get? And we can give that comparison for you. And again, there's no obligation. We're just here to help inform you, to help you get best value.
Tell me a little bit about the other aspects of asset preservation capital. Obviously, we're talking here about real estate. This is your perspective. You're not a real estate agent. You're a financial advisor. What are the different things that you do at Asset Preservation Capital? I know, obviously, you manage investments, but income, taxes, Social Security, conversations, Medicare, what are the things that you cover as a firm?
Well, we look at your Social Security. We could do a Social Security analysis for you. We'll take a look at all your sources of income and help you, again, position yourself for best value. I mean, what good is it if you have an asset such as real estate that is supposedly appreciating enough in value to overcome all the hidden costs of insurance, mortgages, insurance, repairs, et cetera, et cetera. I owned a piece of real estate in a very prestigious Troy neighborhood for 24 years. When I added up all those costs and I sold it, I didn't make any money. Interesting it might seem, but it's true. And a lot of people forget all those other hidden costs that go into ownership of real estate.
Right, and not just your own personal home, but those who like to own real estate for possibly passive income. I mean, there's always costs. And I could also say this, an ETF never calls you at 3 o'clock in the morning to say your water pipe burst or clogged open toilet. So you're using an asset, again, that you've built up to possibly put it into other assets to create income. Now, I mean, the home was where we brought up the family, but now maybe we can use it as another kind of tool in retirement.
Correct. You can use it for helping to finance their college education for the grandkids as a starter, or even to help buy starter homes for the grandkids or the kids. You know, there's a lot of things that you can do with that money rather than just having it sit there and having to pay taxes on it and having to wonder, what am I going to get anything back on it?
So when somebody comes in and we put together that financial plan, that strategy, all the things we review, tell me real quick for folks who are watching this video, what things will you review in a first appointment with someone?
We'll review your risk analysis, because some people want more risk, some people want less risk. That's number one. Number two, we'll talk about your income and your current financial obligations, and how much money will you need going forward to continue to meet those financial obligations. So we'll do a risk analysis, we'll do an income analysis, and lastly, we'll look at a legacy analysis. How much do you want to leave to the kids and heirs, et cetera.
All right. Folks, if you're wondering if you've saved enough for your retirement years, what do you do with a wonderful asset like your home that you brought up your family in? How do you make sure that your money's going to last all the way through your retirement years? You can get your own free retirement analysis right now. Call that phone number down on the bottom of the screen. You can sit down with Carl Gill and his team, and we'll do all of that analysis at no cost to you. Call the phone number, schedule your appointment, or you can go to the website and schedule your own appointment right now. Go to assetpreservationcapital.com. That's assetpreservationcapital.com.